Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick do-it-yourself home improvement project that might be an inspiration to some of you as well. We're going to turn this basement stairwell here, which is just essentially the wood framing, and we're going to make it a little bit more comfortable to come down, but we're not going to spend a lot of money doing it. So what we're going to do is use these soft square carpet patches that you can pick up, and I'll put the link to the description of these down below in case you're interested in checking them out. But they're very reasonable in cost, so it doesn't, an arm and a leg to get this stairwell to have at least some sort of padding as you're coming down it. But we're going to do a couple things prior to that. One, we've already kind of swept it off and cleaned up the stairs a little bit from any debris or dust. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill in the holes and cracks and things of that nature that are along the top of the step before we paint it. But we're going to use some sort of spackling here, and I'll show you which kind I'm using and what I'm using to apply it. But we have this lightweight spackle, and it's just a white paste that goes into the cracks. You don't have to be real crazy about it, but just enough to kind of clean up the top of the stair where you're going to paint it. And then I typically, instead of a putty knife, I use these cardboard squares here, which I find a little bit more easy to apply the spackle to situations like this as well. So totally up to you, but that's kind of what we're going to use. And then the final step is just going to be kind of painting it up and making it look nice before we put those carpet squares down with some staples. So I'll show you progress as we go along here, but again, pretty easy, quick, and cheap project to make your basement stairwell a little bit more usable and friendly. So we've taken some time and covered all the holes and divots in the stairs just to clean them up a little bit more towards the edges where the carpet squares aren't going to be covering. We used that caulk, and then we sanded it down a little bit just to make it a little cleaner of an edge as we paint it. And now we're going to be going on to the paint and prime. And we got one in all, so it's a painter and primer in one. And it's not really made for traffic, so if you are not going to be putting down carpet squares, you will see wear patterns within the actual paint. But if you're going to be putting on carpet squares and the paint's really just for the outer edges to make it look a little nicer, you should be okay. So we'll go on to painting. Here we are with the first coat that I put on the stairs. You can see I did every other stair so I would still have access to come up and down as it's drying. While I did that, I kind of did the cut-in for the edges as well as the back panel of every stair, so I didn't have to go back and try to redo that at the same time at the second coat. But we'll go ahead and let this dry. It's pretty quick as far as drying. I'm just going to throw a heater and a fan on it to make it go a little quicker. And then we can come back and do the second coat and then go back and do the remaining stairs that we haven't done yet. These stairs are now painted completely with 2 coats of paint. Sometimes even, I think every other step here has 3 coats of paint. As I went down, I did another coat on one level. So it actually turned out very nice. It's nice and clean and looks really good compared to the old steps. So what we're going to do now is go through and put on these carpet squares. My staple gun wasn't strong enough to get through the wood, which is kind of expected, so I'm using little braiding nails that have kind of a little bit of a top on it that'll keep the carpet down, but these carpets have a really good rubber underside that will allow it to stay in place once it's nailed down. So just a nail in each corner, and I got it centered off on the stair as we go up, so we'll go ahead and take a look once it's done. And here we have the finished product from the bottom of the stairs. Fairly easy to nail them down. Again, one in each corner. And then I did put one in the front of the carpet square in the middle just to hold the carpet down in the event that you're going up and your shoe or whatever you got on would catch it and pull it up. So that should hopefully eliminate that situation from happening. Otherwise, again, just center it off so they look nice, and we'll give you a view here from the top looking down as well. There is the stairs with the carpet squares from the top of the stairs looking down. As you can see, they're real nice uniform squares, so it actually comes together very well. And again, we'll make it a little easier to go down, a little safer as well. You won't slip on some wood stairs, so the carpet has kind of a dual purpose there. Hope this helps, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the description below, or the comments I should say. And again, if you're looking for the carpet squares, I should have the link in the description below. Otherwise, I appreciate watching. Until next time, take it easy.